Hello interwebs, this video may be a little bit more shaky than my other videos, but, yeah, just saying that. We're gonna do another monkey baby show. Okay, let's get started. Oh, and if you still don't know what this is, and this is probably the first episode that you've seen, once me and Bridget were hanging out, and we did little puppeteers with the things, and we did the baby monkey nanner stuff, whatever. Yeah, this is actually based off of YouTubers. These two YouTubers that have a channel together, and they got a pet monkey named Nanners. So that's who Baby Monkey was inspired off of. Kind of has they don't really have the same personalities, but they still kind of have the same voice, and they're both monkeys. So I actually have like 4 Nannerses. This is only one of them. In the next video, one of my other Nannerses is going to be in the video. So, and hi guys, it's Baby Monkey here. You haven't seen me in a while. It's because I don't know. Sorry that Rachel couldn't really like do anything with the where she was going. She was going to this place and she was hiking and stuff like that. But here's the story that she told me when she got back. She told me that when they were all on the bus, we were ready to go, and then we had to wait like an hour and a half because these 2 stupidos got lost. Well, these 3 stupidos got lost. I'm just kidding, they're not stupid, but they got lost. They got lost, and we had to wait an hour and 30 minutes, an hour and a half to get them back. And we were all ready to go on the bus. And the bus driver is extremely strict, and she would barely let us talk at all. So we had to go like an hour and 30 minutes without talking on a bus, and we kind of had to sneak the electronics a little bit. But when we were all ready to go and they got back and stuff on the bus, Rachel had her iPod out, and she was playing Dumb Ways to Die the video when everyone else was singing Dumb Ways to Die. So everybody loved Rachel. Rachel's awesome. Anyway, my brother got back on vacation because yeah, he was on vacation. See, if you don't know, my birthday was the other day, and not just that, he told me that he was going to get me, that he was going to get us, that he was going to get us tickets for both of us on a cruise ship. But he wanted to also go on the cruise ship really bad, and he couldn't afford those tickets, so he went instead of me. Hi, ma'am. I'm Baby Monkey. I'm Bro. Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. That's my eye that you are looking at. Seriously. Oh, and while Rachel was up there, I was also on vacation. I went to LA, because LA is fun. Hi. I'm bouncing. I'm bouncing too. Anyway. Not the end. See, I tricked you there. It wasn't the end. I thought about ending it, but I didn't. Because I never really have anything planned. That's neat. Or that's Baby Monkey's tail. Okay, continue. Goodbye. Make sure that he's not in the shot, okay? Make sure that he is just never, ever, ever in the shot. Because him being in the shot is just wrong. Okay, anyway. My name is Baby Monkey. Where is this I can tell you? Some girl is squeezing my leg. Actually, I'm squeezing his leg to hold him, but... Yeah, Rachel says like I'm really small, but I'm really not. She's just really big. She's like 6'7". And I'm like 3 feet. Ha 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 ha. Look at how big I am. Look at how big I am. I'm the biggest monkey in the world. Woo! Okay, goodbye, interweb. Oh, no, about the whole interwebs thing was gonna be the last video. I'm just kidding. I tricked you guys. Anyway, goodbye, interwebs. See you in the next video. Pac-Man. So, see you in the next video, interwebs, and goodbye, interwebs. I had to. What? Oh, wear it backwards. Like some kind of geeky hipster. Do I look stupid? What? Anyway, goodbye, interwebs. See you in the next video. Goodbye, interwebs.